Hello friends. Today I'll show you how to make a filter coffee. Filter coffee is available in South India. It's a very good coffee. So there are many methods to make that. I will show you some few methods how to use that with the Indian filter like this, which will look like this, and we can also use the stovetop filter. It is also called percolator. When you want to make a coffee for urgently for few people, you can use this stovetop. This is also very good. I always use this, and I also use this one. This one takes a few minutes to get the decoction. So this one instantly it comes, but the quality is same. Both are very good. So I'll show you. Once I started using this one stovetop, I always use this one, but I make decoction and keep it. This is the like decoction storage, like you can make and keep. Okay, so I'll show you first how to use this Indian filter. Okay, to use this Indian filter, so we get it in steel. This is a steel one. This has, this is the cap. Inside it has one filter type like this. Okay, and this is one upper part and it's the lower part. Okay, this upper part has a tiny holes here. So what we have to do, every time when we make decoction, so sometimes this may block the holes. So once in a while you heat it up, this one, so that all the like small particles inside that this one will come out. So let me on the stove. I will keep this one for a minute on a stove so that it will clear all the holes. So now I'm going to pour some water into this. Some water. For to use Indian filter, you have to boil water in separate dish. Boil some 1 cup of water. This one just for a minute you keep it on the stove so that the holes will be more clear. Once in a while you make this, no need to do every time. Okay, just for 1 minute like that. It's very hard. Never touch with your hands, never try to, because sometimes we forget that we just try to grab it. Do not do that, it will burn your finger like anything. So now it's done. Okay, so now I'll put this water on the stove. Let this boil. Do not boil the water fully. When the bubble starts from bottom, then it is done. It's then you can use this on the filter to pour it on a coffee powder. So here this is the lower part. I am not doing putting anything into this. I just keep it here. But oh my god, I was about to touch that. See, I do that mistake. This one, put it on the stove. Okay, now I have a coffee powder here. I have a coffee powder here. This Indian coffee powder is better to use our Indian coffee because it has a chicory in that powder. We add at least 15% of chicory powder into the pure coffee powder. So the real Indian coffee taste you will get. Just a normal coffee powder like what you get in USA, that doesn't come out this tasty. You have to add chicory powder into the coffee powder. If you are making a coffee powder from the coffee beans, you can put around 700 grams of pure coffee beans, means you have to add 300 grams of chicory powder. Then it will become a standard coffee powder to make Indian coffee. So that's very important. So but if you buy a Indian coffee from an Indian shop, this is already added one. Just buy one good brand and you can use it. So I have a coffee powder here I bought from Indian shop. I'm going to put this 1 spoon below, 2 tablespoons I put. Then after that I put this filter On that, I'm going to put another 4 spoonful of coffee powder. Water started boiling. Okay, I put another 4 down there too. I put, okay. So now put this away. So now the water is started boiling. The bubbles are coming from below. So then now this is time to take it out of the stove. I'll put it and I'll pour it on into the filter. Fill it up with water until it is full. Okay. Now about on the top of this powder, just add just 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so that you get the decoction in a caramel, like in a black brownish, and also it is very it will give you a unique taste. So just follow this. Put a little sugar on it. Now cover it and keep this aside. Okay, it will take few minutes. Decoction will come in another maybe 10 minutes it takes. Now I will show you how to use this stove top decoction making. Okay, this is very easy. I like it a lot. So this makes a coffee instantly on the stove. So this has 3 parts. This is bottom part, it has a one filter, and this is the top portion where all the coffee decoction will collect here. Okay, this is like this, only 3 parts. Now I'm going to put water into this one. There is a safety valve, like pressure valve here. So just below that pressure valve you put the water. Okay, anyway you can put cold water also or hot water. Now I have hot water, I can put that. It will become very fast, the decoction will become very fast. So okay, now I'm going to fill the coffee powder into this. Okay, you no need to put hot water, you can put cold water and directly put it on the stove. So let me put cold water only so that it will be easy for you guys. Okay, I just fill the water up to the pressure valve there. That's all. Okay, and now I'm going to fill coffee powder just at the level of this. Okay, just put and I'll just put, maybe it takes maybe 3. It takes very less coffee powder, really it takes very less coffee powder compared to our Indian filter. I'm not taking full spoon, I'm putting slowly only. I'm putting tiny little, that's why it is showing that many I am putting, but no, I just put 2 tablespoons, that's all. Now I will cover this lid and I'll remove this. I'll put it on the stove. I will on the stove. Okay, you can see within few minutes the decoction will come up on the upper portion. Until then I'll bring the milk to boil. You just boil the milk as much as you want. I just need 1 glass. So when you keep this one, if you have a 2 gas burners, I have more gas burners there. When I am doing that, I put this one in 1 gas burner and I I keep the milk in another one. So simultaneously both will be done, and once it's done, just mix both and serve it. That's it. Quickly it will get over. Within few minutes you can make a coffee instantly, very fast you can give, and it's the best coffee in the world, I can say. Indian filter coffee, South Indian filter coffee is the best coffee. So they people keep drinking coffee in South India. In some places like Bangalore, Chennai, and those places, we drink only in these glasses. Very tiny cup. It's very strong coffee, but tiny cup they drink in every half an hour they drink. So that's how they use more tiny cups also there. This is the standard size. But if you check in Mangalore, it's also South India, but that is a different type. Maybe Kerala, it's bordered to Kerala, so there this one doesn't apply. Okay, so they won't drink this type, but they like Bangalore filter coffee. So now, yes, it's getting heated. Once the water below, when it boils, it will come up with that powder. It will become decoction and it will be collected on the top of the top portion. So just a few minutes. I have one more filter here. This is also Indian filter, steel filter. It's already decoction is there. So since we drink more coffee, we have to really store the decoction all the time. Like we keep drinking coffee a lot. Now some people wants fresh decoction. So for those people, this one is very good. I like fresh decoction. I don't like to make and keep. So I just use this one all the time. Whenever I want to drink coffee, I make my decoction as much as I need it. So then I mix and drink. So another few minutes. If you use the gas stove, it will be more faster. Since I can't arrange everything here on this stove, so I have an electric stove here. So it is taking time. Otherwise, it will become very fast. So until then, let me put some sugar to make a coffee. If you are not adding a sugar into your coffee, do not add sugar. But I'll add sugar into my coffee. So add little sugar. Some people they put sugar in the milk and they boil. Then they'll add that sugared milk into the coffee decoction, and that's it. They drink. Yes, it is coming now. If you want to buy the coffee powder brand, which one is good, if you are confused, I can suggest Suma coffee powder is also very good, and Udayam coffee good, and there are many, but Suma coffee is the best coffee as I have seen. That's available in all the shops, and I buy from India. In USA, I am telling Suma coffee is the good one, so you can buy that coffee powder. Yeah, can you hear the sound? See, you can see. You can see, I think. See, the sound is coming, and the coffee decoction is coming up. You can open and check. See, all the decoction is already there. Now I'll off the stove. I want to show it to you. You see the decoction, how beautifully it has come up. It's done now. Now it's time to take it out. This is not hot. I can touch with my hand. Take it down. Now boil the milk. See, if you have two burners like a gas stove, simultaneously you can keep all both together. So that once here the milk is boiling, here decoction is ready, just add and serve it to people. Very easy. But here I have to wait. Now this decoction is also ready. Now let me check how our Indian filter is working. This is bit hard top, but yes, this has come down. See, this is very thick decoction will come, but it takes time. Still more to come. Still more to come. So we have to wait for this. This one instantly ready. Once the milk is ready, add the milk, add the decoction, ready to drink a coffee. I'm sorry to make you wait. I don't want to cut this video and again attach the another part, so again it will take a longer time for me. So I just wait here and I just make it. Use good milk, organic milk to make coffee. Otherwise, if the milk is not good, the milk smell will be like not nice. And then the coffee, it will spoil the coffee. Use organic milk, that is very pure one. This started boiling. All right. When the milk when the milk starts boiling, take in another this one. This is boiling already. You just need to get that fourth, okay, foam kind of thing. I just put this one more time. I put it here. All right. Now I will add maybe 2 tablespoons of decoction here. Okay, this will make maybe 6 cups of coffee. I mean this type of a cup. Now the milk is boiling. Now I'm going to add now what I do is take little bit of decoction, just top of it. Okay, now the filter coffee is ready to drink. When you serve this to the guest, they will mix it with this bowl and they will drink. I'll show you this, then I'll show you how to. Here's the coffee. Oh, yes, can you see the coffee here? This is how the filter coffee looks like. Let me taste it. If you think this is light, you can add more decoction. For me, this is just nice. I like to pour with this, drink with this. Yeah, this is super tasty Indian filter coffee. You learn this, make this at home and enjoy your coffee in the morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you like to. Thank you for watching. And this stovetop coffee maker is available in all the shops. Even in India, in all the shops, it's available. Here in USA also, every like in all the supermarkets also, or in any malls, if you go, like they're also available. In Ross, it's available, and Marshalls, any shops you go, this is available. It's very less price, very $11 or $10. That's all. Or this one you can buy in Indian shop. This filter. All right, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.